O'Brien delivered the full glazing scope for Sunco Caloundra showroom by fabricating and installing the entire 350 square metres of external and internal glazed facade. We handled every element of the facade from fabrication through to final installation. One of the key challenges of this showroom build was installing large, high visibility glazing panels and automatic sliding entry systems across 2 levels while maintaining perfect alignment to preserve clear sight lines from inside and outside the building. Additionally, because this project is located in Caloundra, we had to meet coastal, thermal and structural performance requirements, ensuring the facade could withstand local climate conditions while still delivering the clean, modern appeal the client wanted. The team delivered the full glazing package by preparing detailed shop drawings up front, which ensured accuracy before the fabrication began. We then prefabricated all aluminium frames off-site to streamline installation and minimise on-site disruptions. And then on-ground installation was completed using a network of experienced commercial glaziers, ensuring safety, efficiency and consistency across both levels. The O'Brien Glass Building Fit-Out team delivers end-to-end commercial glazing nationwide, from plans and fabrication through to installation and handover. Our expert team works with builders and developers on new builds, refurbishments and commercial upgrades, ensuring every glazing element is compliant, high quality and installed to meet the design intent and project timelines.
O'Brien's went well beyond what they needed to. They stepped up, they gave us ideas of what we could change, they sent us products of what we could use. We would definitely recommend O'Brien's to anybody that wants to work with them, not just for their quality of their product, but also the effort they put into communicating. So we would definitely recommend O'Brien's to any other builders.